Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Here I am using the Jupyter notebook to execute the Python code, and you can also use the Python shell for executing this Python code. Okay. Today in this video, I am going to tell about the conditional statement. That is specifically about the if-else statement in Python. Okay, and the if-else statement in Python is used for the decision making. Okay, first of all, I am going to tell about the if statement, and this is the syntax for the if statement. If text expression full colon statements. Okay, here this code evaluate the text expression, okay, and execute the statements only if the text expressions is true. Okay, if the text expression is false, it does not execute that statement. Here I will show you the example for the if statement. Here I am declaring one variable num equals 10. Then if statement, if num greater than 0, print the number is positive. Okay, this is the output. Here num greater than 0 is the test expression. This is the body of the if statement, and the body of if statement execute only if the result of test expression is true. Here we know then the variable num equals 10. The test expression is num greater than 0. Here 10 is greater than 0, so the body of the if statement is executed, so the output is the number is positive. Here is the output. Okay, and another example, num equals minus 10. Okay, then the if statement, if num greater than 0, print the number is positive. This is the test expression num greater than 0, and this is the body of if statement. Here the variable num equals minus 10 and the text expression is num greater than 0. We know the minus 10 is not greater than 0, so the test expression is false, so the body of if statement does not execute. Okay, I will show you the output. There is no output because the test expression is false, so it does not execute the body of if statement. Okay, next I am going to show you the if else statement in Python. Okay, this is the syntax for if else statement. If text expression, then the body of if statement, then else, then body of else statement. Okay, here is the example for if else statement. Here num equals 10. The variable num have the value 10. If num less than 0, print the number is negative, else print the number is positive. Okay, Here the variable num have the value 10. This if statement, this is the test expression, num less than 0. Num have the value 10. Here 10 not less than 0. 10 is greater than 0. So the body of if statement does not execute it. It directly go to the else statement. It only execute the body of else statement. So the output is the number is positive. Okay, here is the output. The number is positive. Here is the another example. Num equals 10. If num greater than 0, print the number is positive, else print the number is negative. Okay, the text expression num greater than 0. Yes, of course, num have the value 10. 10 is greater than 0. So it execute the body of if statement. So the output is the number is positive. Okay, here is the output. The number is positive and it does not go to the else statement because the expression is false. So it does not execute the body of else statement. Okay, hope you guys get the if else statement in Python. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.